Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And today's video is part of the 5 under 5 open playlist, and I have 5 Pottery Barn inspired DIYs. What's unique about this playlist is that you have to create 5 items all under $5, and if you are new to this challenge, it's hosted every month by Missy from the Crafty Cove DIY and Emily from Farm Charm Chic. This month's guest host is Ellie from DIY House to Home. For your convenience, I have linked all of their channels in the description box below, as well as the playlist. So I'm going in with the 5x7 Dollar Tree canvas, the flat one, and a frame. And the letters there, I had those on hand already. I'm pretty sure that they still sell those as well. I used some Craft Smart Golden Brown acrylic paint and some water to dilute that paint down to give it more of an aged paper look. And here I'm just testing out to see if I would prefer to have the glass in there or no glass. And I chose to do no glass for this particular project. So this Pottery Barn inspiration is definitely something that is very versatile. You can switch out the O for just about anything. And coming in at $2.02, I'm definitely under the $5 challenge for that DIY. Okay, next I'm going to go in with this bath mat. I called it a bath mat, but it's clearly not a bath mat. And if you put this down at your tub and step out on it, I promise you're going to cut the bottom of your feet. Okay, maybe I'm exaggerating just a teeny bit, but it was pretty rough. I hadn't been in there in a while, and it kind of took me by surprise when the guy rang me up and he was like, "Yep, ma'am, that's going to be an odd number." And I was like, "Wait, I thought I got 3 items." He's like, "Oh yeah, it's $1.25 now." I was like, "That's right. Okay, hold on, let me get some more money." So comment below if your Dollar Tree is now $1.25, and what's the name of it now? Is it $1.25 store? Or is it still Dollar Tree? Inquiring minds want to know. And what I'm going to do, I know the inspiration piece has black, red, and white, but my rug is also not brown. So I gotta make it do with what I have. So that was pink by Craft Smart, and I'm gonna go in with some plaster by Waverly. This is probably way too much paint. I hope I'm not wasting it because I hate to waste paint. But the goal is, hold on, that one's not open yet. Here she is. More plaster, but I'm gonna go in and I'm still gonna keep the hearts. I'm still gonna keep the hearts red. I think I do want the O's to still stand out in white, or so probably gonna do them in white and then do the X's in pink. I think that'll be pretty and coordinating still. Creating this on a budget, so this is all I had and I gotta keep moving forward. Still haven't found my tape. I don't know if you guys watched the last video. I don't know where it is. I guess it ran away with the cup and the spoon. What was it? The fork ran away with the spoon, something like that. I don't remember it, but I'm just going to pretend that this is tape. Oh my gosh. It's going to work. I promise you, it's going to work because I'm going to tuck the ends, and this is going to be like my halfway point because it's 3 rows and then it's like 6. So 3 on this side and 3 on that side. So, all right, let's see. Oh, working with one paintbrush. I guess I can't. I guess I never replaced that one that broke, and my other ones are a little too big, so I do want to kind of keep it small. Let's hope this works. I guess I could use this little mini. Let's try this one. All right, let's see. So hearts in red. So the first one is a pink. It's an X, so it's supposed to be X heart X. No pressure, but don't mess up lawn. So I do have quite a bit on my brush. And I'm okay if it like gets to a point where it kind of stops. Let's see, here, here. So let's do about here. Oh gosh, oh gosh. Oh, it's done now. There ain't no turning back. it is a done deal. Let's go back up this way with it. But I'm okay with it looking like that, like it's, you know, what's going on with it. How long have you had this rug? Should you get a new one? I'm okay. I'm okay with it looking like that because I want it to look I don't want it to look uniformed. So it's okay if it looks like it's been used for several years, if that makes sense. So when I saw this rug on the Pottery Barn website, I immediately said this will be a very easy project to recreate. And the reason why I felt that way is because I could just take my handwriting and I didn't have to be perfect with it. If some of my X's were bigger than others or my O's were smaller than others, it's okay because the inspirational piece, none of the X's, the O's, or the hearts were alike. They were all very different. And I think that's what I liked about this particular piece. I'm going to go rinse out my paintbrush and come back and we'll do the, what do y'all want to do? Y'all want to do the circles or the hearts? Circles, hearts. Which one? You tell me. All right. Circles it is. I'm glad you guys agree with me. Oh my gosh. I was just thinking the same thing. Okay. So circle goes here. So while I was making this, I was feeling pretty good about myself. And I was like, okay, you got this, Lon. You are doing great. And again, I was not worried if I messed up or one area got more paint than the other because I wanted it to look a little worn. One more time. I need to work harder, just a little bit harder. So now I gotta go wash this out to dip into that red. Be back. Okay, now here's the true test, okay? 3 hearts, easy peasy, lemon squeezy, right? Should be anyways. Let's see. I think this is probably why I did this last. There's no backing out because it is almost complete. There's no backing out at this point. I'm just going to do my best. Oh gosh. Come on, little guy. Not so bad. Not so bad at all. Okay, now it just got to be symmetrical, right? I mean, oh gosh. Oh, I'm so nervous. Okay, where do I start? Do I start here and go back? Come on, Lon. You got this, girl. Yes! Not tooting my own horn, but toot. So once I made that first heart, I was like, girl, you got this, and this is gonna look so good on your front doorstep. I also thought about as I was making every letter, I didn't want to start in the same spot each time because I did want the randomness of it. And I was like, wonder if anyone would be able to tell. I don't know that anybody's going to actually look down and go, oh yeah, I could tell where your starting point was. If you can, you shouldn't be coming to visit. You're nosy. I knew that this rug it's not a substantial piece, and I knew that I needed to do something to build it up. So I headed over to Target and I got a rug, and you'll see that in just a little bit. I love it. Let's take it outside and put it on the porch, I guess. Y'all want to? So this side is actually the wrong side, but this is the side that I like the most. So this project total was $1.35. Again, I am under budget. This side is actually the side that the rug is considered to be the right way. Comment below and let me know which side you like best. Now let's jump into inspiration number 3. Okay, this one is probably my second favorite. The first definitely was the rug, but this is definitely coming in second place. This looks so nasty. I headed over to Home Depot, not just a preference, it's just closest to me, and I picked up a bag of concrete. It was $3.87. I did not show myself mixing this concrete because I am a firm believer that I did not do it correctly, and I didn't want to do that on camera because I didn't want to mislead anyone. When I tell you I just cut the bag open, I got 2 gloved hands and just scooped up some concrete and I put it inside a bag and added water occasionally. I figured that if it works for pancake, it would work for concrete, right? So this is what it looks like. It's starting to form up a little bit more, and I'm hoping that it's gonna do well. It looks, we'll see. I'm not really sure why. I'm pretty sure when it dries, it's gonna be crumbly like that. And I know in my inspiration, it was smooth. If it doesn't come out like I want it to, at least I tried it, right? And hopefully it'll go ahead and dry here in the house. So let's see. Be back. So like I said, this is how it turned out, and I really do not feel like I did it correctly because it is very bumpy. My inspiration piece was very smooth. So if you choose to do this, get some help, ask someone in there. Don't be like me. Again, I was trying to stay under the $5 budget, and I saw concrete and I was like, let's go. So I do want to do some more of these because I thought it was really cute. Guys, I picked this up from the Dollar Tree, and this is 4x6 canvas mat that I picked up from the Dollar Tree as well. So when I saw this frame, I've never seen it before, and I thought it would be cute to do some type of DIY with, and the heart picture came in mind. So I knew that this canvas would not fit inside of the frame, so I quickly removed that, cut around the edges to get a sense of size, and then I went in with my Plaster Waverly chalk paint and I painted one coat of base, and then I used red, True Red by Americana. Let's see if we can make it look a little like the picture. Probably not the best idea here. Oh gosh. How does it look on the camera? It probably looks like a black heart. Ooh. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, rinsed out the paintbrush. Let's see if we can get this back lightened up a little bit, because it's looking a little like a scorned lover or something with this black heart. One day I am going to take the time to fully create a project and not be a lazy crafter. But this is how it turns out, and I like it. And comment below and let me know what you guys think. Welcome if you're new, stopping over from the playlist. My name is Lon, and here on my channel, I create affordable DIYs and thrift flips on a budget. And guys, don't forget to check out the playlist for some 5 under 5 DIY, Valentine's, home decor, and more. Yeah, I'm going to write or spell the word love. I'm not going to write it. I'm going to paint it. Wish me luck. I think I chose to do this piece because it, again, didn't require for me to be perfect. I've never said that I was a perfect person. I've never said that I don't make mistakes, because in my crafting, if you look back at some of my videos, it is quite comical when you see the mistakes I have made. But I like this because it didn't require for me to be perfect. All I had to do was just paint. And coming in at $1.35, I actually like the price and the look of this piece. I picked the canvas up from the Dollar Tree, and it is in the size 8x10. Well, guys, that's it for today's video. Don't forget to check out the playlist. And remember, if you're not living life with Lon, then you're missing out. I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Bye.